You reach for your phone to check for a new email, but instead of seeing an inbox, you're met with the frustrating message, "Cannot get mail." The server isn't responding and you're stuck. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps to get your email back up and running. First, let's try the easiest solution. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open Control Center and toggle on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it off. This reboots your network connections and can often solve the problem instantly. If that doesn't work, let's make sure it's not a larger outage. Open your browser and search for something like, is Gmail down or is Yahoo down? If there's a widespread outage, you'll see reports on sites like Down Detector. If so, all you can do is wait for the service to come back online. If your internet is working and the email service isn't down, the issue is with your phone. Let's get into your settings. First, scroll down, tap on apps. Let's find the mail app. Go to mail accounts and select the email account that's giving you trouble. Here you'll see a toggle for mail. If it's on, turn it off and then on again. If it's already off, turn it on. This can sometimes force a refresh. Next, check your mail server settings. And now tap on account settings. You'll see an outgoing mail server option. Tap on it and make sure your server is toggled on. Finally, go back to the main account screen and tap on advanced at the bottom. The use SSL toggle should be on for security. If your email is still not working, you can try turning it off temporarily to see if it fixes the issue, but remember to turn it back on for a more secure connection. Now, the last resort. If none of the quick fixes or settings changes work, it's time for the final, most effective solution. This might sound scary, but trust me, it's not. We're going to delete the email account from your phone and re-add it. Don't worry, this will not delete any of your emails, contacts, or other data. Everything is safe on the cloud. This step just forces your phone to create a fresh connection to the server. From the same account screen and mail settings, tap on delete account and confirm. Once it's done, go back to the main accounts page and tap on add account. Select your email provider and sign in with the username and password. Your phone will resync your emails and everything should be working perfectly again. Ever had your iPhone stuck in SOS mode? Check out this video to learn how to fix it.